Hello and good evening, everyone. Today is Thursday. I really can't even remember the date. 24th of September. It has been. I think it's around day 69 or day 70 since I started my video log. So this is episode 69 or 70. I'm really bad at remembering my episode numbers. Whatever it is, I will correct it in the title below, I hope. So, as you have known, as you may have noticed, I have been skipping episodes. So one of the reasons for this is I do not. I decided not to update when I don't really have anything to talk about, or when I'm just either too busy, I don't have anything to update, or I just plain have no new information, no progress. So today I'm just gonna try to keep it short, under 7 minutes, I hope. I can't really see the video timer, so I'm gonna have to go by my clock. 12:06. All right. So, um, where did I want to start? All right. Let me just run through this week's activities. So for the past couple of days, I have been demo trading. I began demo trading since a couple of weeks back, but I wasn't making much progress. I had actually been losing quite a bit until last week. So last week I began my discretionary trading technique, which my profit for last week was about 3 to 4%, I think. So I got my account up from I'm not sure if you can see the transaction history all the way back from last week, which is 14th of September. 14th of September, I think. Yeah, 14. Today is the 28th. Wait, today is the 24th. So it's been 10 days. 14. So back in the 14th September, 15th September, I started at about $9,261. So I'm up. This is what, 10%? Yeah, slightly more than 10% now. So of course this isn't actual profit. This is still, I still have $300 of open profit today. Today was a good day, I would say. So let's go back to my trades. All right. So my basically I'm only trading two main strategies. One is basically trading the ABC, or bull flag strategy, which is basically the, this thing. So that's why I planned a trade here, but I didn't really take it because it didn't look convincing. So one leg, second leg, third leg. So well, technically it is a big ass flag, but whatever it is, um, yeah, you could actually trade buy in here and then follow through all the way here. So it would have been a nice trade if I actually entered here as well, except that I didn't. So moving on, my strategy has been working fairly well. As you can see, it's all green currently, although some of them haven't been moving. So what I'm basically trading three things. Sorry, it's not two things, it's three things. One is the the bull flag or bear flag strategy. The second are reversals. Reversals is when something like this happens. Um, okay, this isn't a very good reversal actually, but I kind of had a hunch, and but it doesn't seem to be doing well. What is this? The pound US dollar. So yeah, it's not moving as quickly as I want it to. So I might exit this trade like at soon, maybe tonight, at a break even. So what I'm basically looking for is something like this. If I had seen this and caught this, I would have traded this. So this is a, a big dip, and then if there is a bullish candle at the bottom and maybe one follow through candle, I might enter the trade like just here and just grab this short stint right here. So this will be, how many pips is this? This is a, whoa, this is huge. Oh, but then this is the pound. So it's about 100 pips. If I could have gotten this 100 pips, yeah, that would be a decent, at least probably a 1 to 1.5 risk reward trade, or a 2 maybe. If you could, if you are able to spot it earlier, you could probably drop down to the lower time frame. So yeah, so that is the second trade I'm looking for, reversals. And the third is basically breakout trades. So this is one of the examples of a breakout trade. So if you look at the higher time frames in daily, okay, daily is a bit hard to see, but okay, it's pretty damn messy. So if you look at the 4 hour, it's actually been ranging within this range right here. So there's a I do a resistance over here, and another one is the major resistance down here. This major resistance is drawn from a much higher time frame, I believe, because my channel is much larger. So basically what I'm looking for is when price cross this resistance, I am anticipating a breakout. So I would say that there's a high chance that it would just keep going up. So what I did, so this was my trade setup right here. Let me just make this smaller so that it's easier to see. And this was my trade setup right here. I entered right on this bar, on this pullback bar. So the moment it broke out, it pulled back, I entered with a limit order, and it went all the way up. So this is the third kind of trade I'm looking for. So basically this is what I'm focusing on right now. 3 kinds of trading strategies, and oh yeah, my profit is going up still. I'm actually looking to probably close off some of my orders, because I'm about to sleep now and I can't risk. This is slowing down quite a bit, and I might want to like lock in profits right here. I'm anticipating it will go all the way down, but sometimes I do get a bit fidgety if I keep looking at my charts, and I will just start touching things. So one thing I did today, which was well done, is I was actually at 9,900 somewhere in the afternoon, where most of my trades were already in, but they were not moving yet. So I was contemplating closing out some profits, and also closing out some of my trades, but thankfully I did not, because look at this. I wouldn't have taken these 2 massive profits if I had closed that out. These 2 went really well. I took full 70% of my trade profit. Yeah, and so the remainder is just trading here, the USD Sing dollar. This one had already taken profit, but I'm just trading a slight remainder on it. So that is basically my trading strategy. It's not really a trading strategy, but it's basically what I'm aiming to do now. So far this has been performing well. I'm just gonna continue demo trading this for a while longer, maybe 2 more weeks, and if it continues working well, I might do some minor tweaks, maybe some improvements. My goal is basically to get my if I can double this into 20,000, then we are looking at something. So so the plan is maybe to double this to 20,000, and then from there I will decide either I will make slightly larger moves, or I might tweak my risk, or I might tweak my strategy. We'll see. But first, consistency. I'll just keep doing this until I get to 20,000. So that's it for today. I'm really tempted to lock in profit for this one, especially this one. Do you guys think it will go down? I'm not so sure. I mean, I'm not sure. I don't know where it's gonna go. It's really just, wait, this is the 1.6. I might close this one. Wait, let me see. This one really isn't going as I planned, but this is a high probability trade because um, there's a resistance right here, so the trend channel line is right there. I don't think it will go up, so chances are it will just go down. Or I mean, chances are mean right here means like 60% of the time, whereas this one, I do have some annotations when I take my trades. So this one says might be a bad idea, divergence of stochastics. So basically this one is going down but the stochastics is going up. So I am a bit hesitant about this. I might actually close this one off right now. Maybe I'll just close off. Wait, let me just 30-minute. Let me just see how it's doing here. Yeah, this is too hesitant. I don't like the movement. I do not. I don't think I want to take the risk. So I will close. Let me do this. I'll close off 30% of the trade, which is this second one here. So I'll close off this 30%. So even if I take a loss, I only take a 0.7% of my loss. So yeah, let's just close that. And what about this one? Now I'll let this one run. This has potential. This has potential. Aussie. Oh yeah, this is the one that's going pretty damn well. I might as well move my stop loss now. Up here. Okay. And oh wait, cancel. Why? I shouldn't be. I should be looking at the 2 hour, not the 30-minute. 30-minute is way too tight. All right, stop loss down here. Okay. Oh, I hate the. What else do we have? This one. I forgot why I took this trade actually. Oh, it's ranging. So let me see. This is the higher time frame chart. It's hitting resistance. Why did I even go long? It's in a downtrend. Probably bad decision making on this. I wasn't, or maybe I just wanted to catch a tiny leg. Yeah, like this one. But on second thought, this is not a very good idea. This is probably just a tiny pullback before it just continues going. So I'll just close this one off. What is this? British USD. This is the one. I'll just close it from here so I don't close the wrong thing. Alright. So that leaves this one, which is a bit more uncertain, and this is going down. See, it's still there. Okay, it's not going down as quickly as I thought. Alright, to play safe, I'm gonna lock in 70% of my profits right here. Should I? The only reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to sleep, and this video I think is getting pretty damn long, so I will end it here and I'll let you guys think whether I should actually lock this in. Alright, and that's it for today. See you guys in the next video.